Charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang, chang charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. This is my tree house. It's where I learn and play. I can touch the sky so high and even fly away. Chang charak chang chang.
बड़ों की कल्पना जहाँ थम जाती है, बच्चों की कल्पना वहीं से उड़ान भरती है। इसीलिए हमारे आसान और मजेदार लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स बच्चों को देते हैं जरूरी नॉलेज और भरपूर कॉन्फिडेंस। द ट्री हाउस, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान।
Parents, I know it's a Sunday morning and you have come all the way. We are at the junction where a chapter closes and a new one begins. Dear parents, today our children will be performing a musical drama. And the theme for the day is Sanskar, which means the value system which we inculcate in our children so that they exhibit these virtues and make their parents, the society and the country to be proud of them. And while we do that, we remember that on every blade of grass, there is an angel sitting, saying time and again, grow, grow. Here in Tree House, we learn and we grow. I take this opportunity to welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Sridhar sir, who is the CEO of Tree House. May I please ask Purva teacher to present the bouquet to sir? She is Mahi from Ambawadi Center. We have Mrs. Hema Rao. She is the supervisor for Western Zone. May I ask Shivaranjani to present the bouquet, please? And our guest of honor, Mrs. Anaita Landers. Parents, clap. नाश्ता करके सभी आए हैं. Thank you. Tanishka, please present the bouquet. Thank you. Left hand side parents clap कर रहे हैं, right hand parents नहीं कर रहे हैं. And before we start, we have Mrs. Anaita Landers. She is an MA BA with Master in Education and founder principal of upcoming Treehouse High School, Vasai. She has immense experience and expertise in the field of educational administration for the last 26 years. She started her career as a pre-primary teacher and moved on to become principal of school in 2008. She has been associated with various allied educational institutions in Mumbai. To name a few, Hiranandani Foundation School and Lodha World School. We are assured that Treehouse High School will reach global levels under her leadership. May I ask Sridhar sir, our CEO of Treehouse, to say a few words on this occasion. Thank you.
Dear parents, very warm welcome to each one of you. This show Sanskar being put up by our little ones, and as the show goes on, and as I have witnessed in the earlier shows in the morning itself, you will find the tremendous confidence, the tremendous amount of achievement that when we see these little ones performing on the stage. And today, all the year hard work by all the teachers, all the parents will be out down there. So, dear parents, continue to encourage, continue to applaud them, because this is what this little one need. At this juncture, when they At this age and at this juncture when they face the lights and the cameras, I think what we can do is continue to applaud, appreciate, clap for each and every show. So parents, so before we start the show, let us give you a brief background about Treehouse, how we have been progressing, what's the plan and what we have been doing. As on date, we have over 450 centers pan-India. We are number one in terms of preschool, and we are present in over 50 cities. The beauty of Treehouse is we continue to innovate, we continue to bring the best in terms of content, curriculum, and which is contemporary in nature. The next year again you will find a lot of changes, a lot of new additions in the curriculum part, which is keeping in time the way we need to deliver. Learning is important, and also it is important the way it is delivered. You will find whether it is center in Bombay or a Pune or Bangalore or Kolkata, you will find a structured, standard curriculum day in, day out. That is the hallmark of Treehouse, and we will continue to excel every year. Training continued to be our key focus. Very few days back we had training to all the preschoolers in Bombay, and in particular to Vasai, Nalasopara and Virar centers by eminent team of trainers, and this will be a continuous feature quarter on quarter basically. Parent, keeping on the mind the demand, the request, the feedback, Treehouse started the high schools, and we have today 26 high schools present in Bombay, Pune, Jaipur, Baroda, Ahmedabad and some parts of Rajasthan as well. Almost all the boards are covered. Primarily they are CBSE, ICSE and also IGCSE. Growing need, and for the need of high quality schools, particularly in this suburb where Vasai, Virar, Nalasopar is concerned, we started the first high school in Virar. Virar High School is a CBSE school, as you are aware. Today the school is complete in terms of infrastructure. It is one of the finest in terms of facilities that it can offer. The Vasai school, which will be ICSE pattern and will be affiliated to ICSE, the architecture will be exact same of Virar and is coming up in Vasai West near Vasai Court. Initially we had planned that by October, November the school will be ready, but we have broken down into parts where you will find the one wing of the building is ready by coming April this June. So coming June, when the new session starts, we will be able to move to the new building in Vasai. Parents, we have great plans for both the schools, Vasai or Virar. In fact, all the schools of Treehouse High Schools, we want to make a holistic education in terms of offering the entire gamut of academic activities and co-curricular, including sports, all during the schooling hours. The idea is give the whole totality in education, where a child when comes to the school is able to get each and everything. Mrs. Anaita Landers has joined as principal of Treehouse High School Vasai, and as you heard, comes with an excellent background in terms of academic and administration experience. And I'm sure Treehouse and the principal are working together in terms of making the school to one of the best in Vasai. Parent, being a new school, you know admissions will be much more easier. You will find where principal or other people are also calling out and reaching out to you, urging you to take admission. So my request you to take that opportunity, admit your children, at the same time spread good word to your friends or relatives where they can take this opportunity. 2 years, 3 years down the line, you know, the seats come down dramatically, we will not be able to absorb each and every parent. I'm sure you are going to enjoy that in terms of the experience that the Treehouse High School Vasai is going to give. Parents, coming back to the show Sanskar, you will find a beautiful show out there, beautiful drama being put in by the children. All the good virtues, habits, or the culture that we need to have in our little one, that we need these children to grow up with, all those things will be covered, and all the more important in today's world. So let us enjoy, let us appreciate, let us applaud their performance. Thank you, parents.
Thank you, sir. Dear parents, you will be happy to know that Treehouse High School will be commencing their high school shortly at Vasai West. The Treehouse High School will be affiliated to the ICSC board. And we are also glad to inform you, till 10th of March, Treehouse High School is offering a discount of rupees 4,000 to all the existing parents who are seeking admission for their children. Please note that this benefit is only valid till 10th of March, so hurry and grab your seat. Interested parents can also contact their center heads of their respective preschool. We will begin our show with prayer, and Vasai Center Row House 1 is performing the song.
concert 2013-14 संस्कार धरोहर हमारे घर की और हमारे स्कूल की.
Sanskar, never heard of this word. What is this?
All elders keep on using this word. Sanskar धरोहर must be an important thing.
Ha ha ha. You mean you don't know?
Not much.
I thought since you said this word, you must be knowing its meaning. Let us ask our teachers then.
Teacher,
where are you? Teacher, we
this much I am sure, that you cannot get it anywhere.
Are you sure?
Yes, promise. My mother told me one day.
Let me explain you properly about sanskar. When our elders teach us good manners and we behave well, we say they have passed on good sanskar. Like Gandhiji, who has taught us to work hard, be honest and fearless for our country.
That means he passed on good sanskar to us. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patit Pavan Sitaram.
प्रभु अब धीरज मत देना, सहते जाए सहते जाए सहते जाए, ऐसा बल भी मत देना, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, उठ कर करने हैं कुछ काम।
तुम करुणा के सागर, तुम पालन करता, पर जो जुल्म है करता वो कहाँ तुमसे डरता। तुम पूरन परमात्मा, तुम अंतर्यामी, पर फिर कैसे होती रहती हर पल ये मनमानी। घायल है भोला इंसान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम,
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, घायल है भोला इंसान, घायल है भोला इंसान, घायल है भोला इंसान।
टूट रहा है अब विश्वास, 5 वर्ष धुंधला आकाश, कौन द्वार हम खटकाएं, कौन से वादे दोहराएं, आम आदमी कितना, रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
हाँ, घर से निकले हैं सुबह, तन मन धन सब है तैयार, खाली हाथ न लौटेंगे, तय करके आए इस बार। अंदर एक सिपाही है जिसने ली अंगड़ाई है, अब तक सोया सोया था, सपनों में ही खोया था,
no manners and all. Now you understood. Manners are shown by children who are nurtured in the environment of sanskar. Now look at them. Look there. Because of good sanskar. Who are the children who get good sanskars? The first thing is that small baby should have environment where they are happy.
So parents, we saw the bad sanskars and the good sanskars. So here comes the gummy bear. And I need you all to keep applauding as these toddlers dressed up as cute little gummy bears come on stage for you all. Come on, let's cheer them all. Gummy bear. पेरेंट्स ताली यहाँ बजती रहनी चाहिए। ये पहली बार बच्चे स्टेज पर आ रहे हैं, आपको चीयर करना है। They are here facing the huge crowd. Very good. Where the parents create a beautiful environment. When parents hear well, do good things, respect Allah, talk politely, children automatically in with that, start behaving that way. After home comes the school. are waiting for you to clap.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे
I'm watching you.
सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
Don't you remember your school days? Very good.
Now children get good sanskar first of all where the parents behave well, do good thing, respect elder, talk politely. Children automatically with that start behaving that way. After home comes the school.
हमारे नाना जी भी हैं, पेरेंट्स भी हैं, बच्चे भी हैं। क्यों ना हम अपने बच्चों के साथ बच्चे बन जाएं और थोड़े से अपने हाथों को तकलीफ दें।
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन। अरे नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी पूछे रोज मुड़ाए रे, फिर भी उनको गाए वो जिस दिन। गैया घास चबाए तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे, दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से घिन। सूरज ढलता जाए
ji, they are getting ready to join Indian Army. Indian Army, you mean the soldiers who protect the country? Yes, beta. Nana ji, who give them good sanskars, who care for their country? मैं बोलूं? Now I know it. बोलो बेटा. Their sanskars come from their home as well as school. Good, very good. ये लोग खुद भी खुश रहते हैं और देश को भी खुश रखते हैं.
Yes, parents. Now we need the claps to go very hard. Come on, children. All can join the Indian Army. Very good.
ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड. सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात, रख दिल पे हाथ, हम साथ साथ बोल क्या करेंगे. हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन
Can I join army now? No बेटा, अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो. पहले तुम अच्छे बच्चे बनो, फिर बड़े होकर अच्छे इंसान बनो. And then you can join Indian Army.
Come on, parents, let's hear it for all of them.
From good child, we need to grow up as good women. And for that, we need to hear stories from all story books like Gita, story of Lord Krishna. We also have Guru Granth Sahib from Sikh religion. People recite stories in me. From good child, we need to grow up as good women, and for that, we need to have stories from all story books like Gita, story of Lord Krishna. We also have Guru Granth Sahib from Sikh religion. People recite stories in music. And you know what my daddy says? My daddy says, morning come here और भगवान बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. इस तरह बाइबल और कुरान की कहानियों से हमें अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं.
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता. तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे. तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे. हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे. तो खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में. हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा. उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. नवरनिर सा मिट जाते हैं सबके निशान, बस एक वो मिटता नहीं है। मान ले जो हर मुश्किल को मर्जी मेरी है। हो हम सफर न तेरा जब कोई तू हो, जहाँ रहूंगा मैं वहीं, तुझसे कभी नहीं एक पल भी मैं जुदा। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा।
Have you heard of Panchtantra tales? No? How? You have not heard of Panchtantra tales? No? Your mother never tells you these stories? अपनी मम्मी को बोलो तुम्हें रोज ये कहानियाँ सुनाए. And you must also read these stories yourself. अच्छा, लायन और रैबिट की स्टोरी सुनी है? यस, सुनी है. क्रो एंड स्नेक की कहानी सुनी है. कौवे और सांप की कहानी सुनी है. बुद्धू, वही तो पंचतंत्र टेल्स हैं. आओ मैं तुम्हें बताऊं पंचतंत्र टेल्स क्यों लिखी गई. एक राजा था. और एक रानी. उनके 3 बेटे थे. राजकुमार, जानते हो, वो कुछ काम नहीं करते थे, कुछ पढ़ते भी नहीं थे. वो ट्री हाउस में नहीं पढ़ते थे. नहीं, तब ट्री हाउस कहाँ था? फिर क्या हुआ? एक साधु महाराज ने उनके लिए पंचतंत्र टेल्स बनाई और उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज दी. फिर वो अच्छे बच्चे बन गए.
झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में, मन में जो सोच ले हम. आया है दूर तक देश अपना, जाएंगे दूर तक हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना
लिखा दीदी?
कल जिन्होंने ये लिखा वो आज ये जानते हैं।
सूरज अपनी मुट्ठी में है कुल बुला रहा, नया सवेरा रिस रिस के बाहर है आ रहा, तलवों से कहती है मंजिल मुझे उठा लो, वक्त तुम्हारा है किस्मत को गले लगा लो, अभी तो सबको धुन पर अपनी देखो नचाएंगे हम, देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है।
दीदी, सब कहते हैं हम आगे जा रहे हैं, मगर क्या हम सब आगे जा रहे हैं या सिर्फ कुछ लोग?
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा आपने।
गर तुम ही मुस्काओ तो मुस्कान नहीं है, सबको पंख न मिल पाए तो उड़ान नहीं है, बस मेरे आंगन आए ऐसी धूप न चाहिए, बस मेरी छतरी पर गाए ऐसी बारिश ना चाहिए, जिस पर सबके रंग हो वो तस्वीर बनाएंगे हम, देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है।
In our tree house, we have those very interesting cheeky stories. Cheeky stories? Oh, I love cheeky stories. My teacher tells me they are character building stories. Character building? What is that? Character building is to behave in a manner that your parents feel proud of you. Your teachers feel proud of you. Your country feels proud of you. Now I understand it means to become a good child. Yes, cheeky stories are there for all of us to become good children. Did you realize how
Here comes our pretty chickie.
Pretty cheeky, walking down the school. Pretty cheeky, she's real cool. Pretty cheeky, she's a darling, she's charming too. We all believe you, you speak the truth. Pretty cheeky, she walks with a smile. Pretty cheeky, she's so full of life. Pretty cheeky, she makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky.
for the picnic.
Children, Chicky cannot come for the picnic as she was watching TV late night, and that's why she could not get up early in the morning. You all go and enjoy yourself. Have a good day.
Oh, she will miss the picnic. Oh no, so sad.
All right then, let's leave her. We're gonna miss you, oh dear. Bye 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 bye, 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 bye 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 bye.
I'm so sorry. Now onwards, I will sleep on time and wake up on time.
Now that's my girl. Pretty Chicky, she's all grown up now. Pretty Chicky, she's being famous now. Pretty Chicky, she's a big star, oh little girl. But don't forget, dear, we always there. Pretty Chicky, she walks with a smile. Pretty Chicky, she's so full of life. Pretty Chicky, she makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Chicky.
Once more, once more, once more, once more, once more. We want to have more of Chicky. Okay, okay. Let's have some more Chicky then.
Chicky dear, I'm going out, so please take care of your grandma.
Chicky, can you get me a glass of water?
Oh no! Mama! Mama? Chicky! I told you to take care of your grandma, but you did not. Look what you have done. That's bad.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, don't be sad. I will always listen to you.
Now that
sometimes the feeling is right. We all learn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Chicky is just like a moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-U. Now that we believe you,
promise to. IPIU, yeah. IPIU, IPIU, yeah. IPIU, You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. IPIU, yeah. IPIU, IPIU, yeah. IPIU,
Thank you so much, parents, for applauding. And please be seated till the end of the show. There is some more fun and dances are coming. Please be there.
How fortunate are you to be in a good school? We surely are going to have good sanskar. Yes, let us celebrate. Yay! become a big idiot. I will become... Can you guess? No. Okay, I will tell you. I will become a choreographer. What will you become? Why not? I will open a chain of schools and impart good sanskars to thousands and thousands of children. My good children, I'm so proud of you all. We have no doubts that the sanskars which we have passed on to you will surely make you good human beings and great leaders in future. I congratulate your parents and your school.
अभी अभी हुआ यकीन कि आग है मुझ में कहीं हुई सुबह मैं जल गया सूरज को मैं निगल गया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था वो मिल गया वो खिल गया वो लोहा था पिघल गया खिंचा खिंचा मचल गया सितार में